honey butter garlic glazed salmon, creamy mashed potatoes. This plate deserves a seat at the table. Stay to the end. You'll wish you could lick the screen. Let me show you how I made this rich buttery salmon, glazed to perfection, sitting on a cloud of creamy mashed potatoes. Simple ingredients, big flavor. You're gonna want to stay for this bite. I started with 3 golden potatoes, peeled, chopped, and dropped into salted boiling water. We'll let those simmer while the real magic starts. Skinless salmon cut into thick, tender pieces. My seasoning blend: garlic powder, Old Bay, paprika, cayenne, parsley flakes, black pepper, Goya. Mix it, then drizzle a little olive oil, and rub it all in. Every bite deserves flavor. Sear in olive oil until golden. Then pull it out. Now we're building the glaze: butter and minced garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Add the leftover seasonings mixed. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Then a kiss of sriracha sauce. Add lemon juice. Add chopped parsley. Let it bubble until it smells unreal. Drop the salmon back in. Baste it slow. That sticky shine, that's flavor you feel. Back to the potatoes, soft and ready. Add butter, mash it down. Then pour in heavy cream. Add half teaspoon Goya and half teaspoon salt. Mash until creamy enough to call silk. Spoon the mash down first, like a velvet base. Lay that glossy salmon on top, glaze drips, parsley snow, perfection. This isn't just a recipe. This is comfort food dressed in luxury. And yes, it tastes even better than it looks.